What's up? What's up? What's up? This is another video. This is another clean out I'm doing. Blue Money hauling. These people had a whole lot going on here. There's a whole lot going on. But what we gonna do is we gonna get all this out of here. Make everything new. Well, not everything new, but get everything out of here and have this place looking new. There you go. Yeah, because this stuff gotta go. All of this stuff has to go. There might even be some more stuff out back. There might be trash out back. And yes, it is. Look at that. Trash out back. Yeah, we gotta get rid of all that. So let's take a trip down to the basement. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh. This shit right here is gonna be crazy. Got a whole bunch going on down here. They go to bar. They probably used to be lit down here. Yeah. Got that Hypnotic, that VSOP. Got these Ronas going on. Oh, there go that Jack Daddy. Oh yeah, there's a lot going on. Alright, so this shit right here is gonna be crazy. Oh yeah, I go to Ravens. So this shit was in 2010. Damn. This shit is old as shit. Yeah, shut out Ravens already. Even though they fucking up. About to get rid of Lamar. That's gonna change the whole team over again. They're gonna be some bums. Back then, I think it was like around 2010. Right after they won the Super Bowl, shit went downhill for real. That shit's crazy. I ain't never seen no team like that win the Super Bowl. Then you start going downhill. Yeah, there's a lot going on in here. Let's go upstairs and see what's going on up here. I know it's gotta be some more crazy shit. Oh no, this is, whew. Dang. Yeah, this is crazy. This shit right here is, dang. I know the next house I will be wearing a mask. I don't know why I don't have one on now. I'm tripping for real. And look at the fucking bathroom. You gotta be joking. The cleanest fucking house in the whole, cleanest part of the house is the bathroom. Out of the whole fucking house, the bathroom is the cleanest room. Wow. Damn it. Oh, here goes some more trash and crazy stuff that gotta get out of here. Alright. Yep. More. This ain't too bad. Alright, so you'll see what I got going on now, so stay tuned. You've seen what was going on now, the before, and when I get back on here, it'll be after. It's gonna look totally different. Until then.